Am I streaming? Hey, am I streaming? Oh yeah, I think I'm streaming. Yeah, nigga, I'm streaming. Hold on. Let me do this. Alright. God damn! Anyways, yo! What's good? It's your bro Low, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Yeah! Actually, it's a live stream, so you feel me? It's saucy little live stream type shit. I don't know how many people gonna be in here though, but I'm gonna just make this like a normal ass recording, so that way, yeah, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let's see what's going on, bruh. I know we still got that joke job openings and other shit that's coming out. Close that shit out. Alright. Do this. That job openings and other. Alright. We got NFP Friday, you feel me? So like, to be honest with you, I thought I wasn't gonna trade until like Thursday, but whole time, and I wasn't gonna tap into the market today, but like whole time is NFP Thursday, and usually Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is like low key where you should trade during the NFP week, and then leave the rest of the week alone, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Wednesday you got FOMC reports and shit. So like whole time, like I'm not even like trying to fuck with it, to be honest with you. Thursday. So today, if I can't get a shot today, then you know what I'm saying, then ain't no shot, you know what I'm saying. Right now, ES just took out London low. You still have Asia low right in here. I really don't know where price is drawn to. There is this daily high did get taken out. We're at all-time highs, so there is a little bit of SMT with ES and NQ. Yeah, ES and NQ. Maybe if ES starts inverting this fair value gap right in here, then I would be interested in maybe taking a short down to some type of discount down in here, maybe to the first standard deviation. I don't know, you know what I mean? But I'm just chilling. I'm just gonna read the tape. If something happened, then something happened type shit. Maybe, hold on, my camera too big? My camera all in the way and shit. Hold on, let me move this. Alright, there we go. So that way y'all can see the price action a little bit more. Yeah, man. I guess I'm gonna be talking to myself until some niggas come in. Yeah, I ain't touching this until that joke come out. I ain't touching this. I ain't falling. I'm not falling for this as a market, as a ICT 2020 whatever model that everybody be trading, a little smart money reversal shit. I ain't falling for this shit. Not falling for it. But yeah, we took out that high. I wonder if price can go lower from here. Maybe invert this FEG. Invert this fair value gap. We can invert that, and then I don't know. It seemed legit. It seemed legit. That's my breaker right there. I want to see if price can expand through there. You do have this wick right here, so maybe it could get through that wick, consequent encroachment of that wick, go through there, and maybe this stays open, right? Maybe this is a breakaway gap type shit. Yo, what's good? What's good, bro? Yeah, bro. Actually, it ain't my first live stream. This is actually I think my second, third type shit. But yeah, man, what's good with you? Yeah, man, I'm just looking at the market, trying to see what's going on, what's gonna happen. I don't know. I want to short the indices. There is SMT at these highs. This high, this previous daily high, and then NQ previous daily high. But I need a little bit more maybe displacement through here first. Displacement through here. But I do like this, what's going on right here. It's just that news come out at 10. Well, not 10, 4. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get the win streak going again. I don't know. It might be a losing day. It might be a winning day. You feel me? I ain't gonna give myself any expectations. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it might not be a no trade day. I don't know. I gotta see. You looking at anything? Bang. Yo, everybody that's in here, what's good, man? I see it's 4 people watching. What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I feel like if price displaces through here, through all of here, any retracement back into here might be a good sell. It's just I'm just waiting on that news, bro. It sucked that news is there. This could get really iffy. Really iffy. You got buy side built up with ES. I think if ES runs out these highs right in here, if ES runs out these highs, no, because it's already SMT. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till that news. I ain't gonna make no decision until the news come up. Come on. I haven't been looking at dollar GU. I feel like these can go like you can see like these are clean relative equal highs right here, bruh. Like these are very clean. But and I want to trade to those relative equal highs, but it's just something telling me that I don't know. Like it's just iffy. Like okay, like look at the daily candle. Like the daily candle already expanded. Me trying to buy right here, I'm buying in the middle of fucking nowhere. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's kind of iffy for me to want to take a buy right here. I mean, you should buy when other people are scared, but the whole time I'm too scared. Nigga. Like, I'm not buying this shit. I'm not buying it. I'm too scared. The fuck is you talking about? Come on. Alright. That's what I'm gonna do. So we can see that it's rejecting off of this PD array. Wow, this is London's high. I think this is London's highest high. Yeah, so this up close candle right here, it did take out a low. So this is a breaker, so now it's like an inversion breaker. I mean it could go lower from here. We got news in like 54 seconds. 54 seconds, you know what I'm saying? I need to hurry up though. But no rush. Nah, I have to get my girl on another back testing session. That shit was fun. So price really didn't expand through here. Yeah, I'm thinking okay, if it hits this right, and we get some displacement lower with the okay. So this is news right here. This is the news. This news is weak as shit. Huh. So there's SMT at these highs. There's SMT at these highs. I like this short. I like this short. But I think I need a little bit more confirmation with NQ. What time is this? 10? Yeah, 10 o'clock. Yeah, I think I need a little bit more confirmation. Always watching videos in Diego, seeing people who are grinding makes me motivated. Hell yeah, bruh. I actually started, I got motivated. I started my YouTube channel a long time ago. Dropping videos and shit and like SMC videos and 1 to fucking 10R type videos and shit. But like, I actually started recording my whole, like, when I got my funded account, like, not when I got my fund account, when I was trying to get my Apex account, right? Going for trying to get that and then getting that funded and then working on that live. Diego actually inspired me to drop every day because I wanted to, you know, eventually see, like, when I come back in a few years, I can see, like, okay, like, I did that shit, you know what I mean? Like, this is what it took, this is what I did, you know what I mean? Where's midnight open price? All right, we're way above midnight open price. Oh, it's giving lower. You got relative equal lows with Asia here, right? I think that could draw down into there. It's only giving me a 1 to 1.5 though. If I'm aiming for a 1 to 2, then I would be aiming for a previous daily low. How much would that risk be? Yeah, one contract. NQ is still. I need this candle to close though, but it hit this FEG. It might leave that open, low key. It might leave that open. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Cause ES should be a little bit weaker. So first trade, you feel me? Only trade for the day. You know what I'm saying? I want to see if price can hold this London liquidity, right? This London high right here, and see if we can start aiming for Asia low. It is relative equal lows too, and then we have SMT with NQ at the previous daily highs and everything, and we're still in that macro too. So I want to see a little bit of displacement straight to that Asia low. Then once we start getting displacement down towards this low right here, maybe even this up close candle, I'll start managing my stop a little bit lower. But yeah, this should be a silver bullet. This should be distribution by nature. You feel me? This London close. So we'll see how that go, right? My nigga Shmeedo. Yo, Shmeedo. Yeah, bro, we live streaming today, bro. Live streaming today. Let's see if we can make that loss back yesterday, bro. I shouldn't have took two trades yesterday. It should have just been that one GU trade, that one GU fucking buy that I took. I should have read the tape better. Good luck with the trade, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, I've been waiting until basically this time to try to enter a trade because of that news that happened today. That joke, but it ain't even really do much. It wasn't even as fucking bearish at all. All right. So there we go. So NQ finally closed below this. This might be a breakaway gap. I don't think price is gonna come up here anymore. This should be breakaway, and we should start going towards the Asia lows, which is down in here for Nasdaq. Did close within. I don't know. It's kind of choppy right here. It's kind of choppy, but we did close within consequent encroachment of this wick right here. So I want to see if price can hold that wick and this down close candle right there. Oh. Yeah, I'm only risking $365, which is only a quarter of this 300K account. All right. I took a $600 loss yesterday when it only should have been like a $365 loss. Last week my blew my first funded account in one day, which is 8% up. Drunk man, gambling mindset. Yeah. At the end of the day, it's ourselves who push away to go. Today, back with new challenge account. Okay, type shit. NQ, dog has my eyes type shit. Yep. Hold on, let me see. Where's that new day opening gap? Where's it at, Shmeedo? Oh, let me see. Let me get this shit out the way. New day opening gap. New day opening gap. Am I tweaking? Are you talking about this one? You talking about this one? Oh, no, you talking about oh, you talking about this one. You talking about this. But yeah, bro. Yeah, man, we mess up on we self-sabotage our own selves, bro. Like say yesterday, for example, bro. Imagine if I would have just kept training and kept trying to get in that GU shit when that shit was fucking bullish as fuck. You know what I mean? Like I would have. You know what I mean? I blew up my past 50K account because I couldn't stop because I lost that day. Nigga, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's something you shouldn't do. It's just stick to your rules, stick to the process, bruh. You might have a bad month, you might have a bad week. You know what I mean? You just gotta control yourself to not blow up and not get. Just accept the outcome of what happened. Whether you had a human error like me, I had a human error yesterday. I entered in, I doubled my entry. I went in again knowing damn well that shit was not as bullish as I thought it was. You feel me? So, I mean, it is what it is, you know? Something to learn from. Human mistakes. Some light right below Asia. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Yo, if y'all in this bitch, go ahead and hit that like button if y'all didn't yet, man. Hit that like button. Help me. I'm gonna like my own shit. Fuck is you? I can't even like my own shit. Hold on. Fuck is you talking about? I'm liking my own shit. How you like it? Hey, we like our own shit over here. I'm my own fan. Damn, I can't even like it right now. I'll like it later. So, this shit is not expanding. Fucking. NQ needs to hold this down close candle. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, it could work up into this up close candle again. It could do that, and at the same time, I'm calling the top. So it could be goofy as hell. You know what I'm saying? Could be goofy. But that Asia low look juicy. I can't lie to you. That Asia low look juicy. A little juicy, y'all. I'm probably asking for too much though. Looking for it to come all the way down here, but that's like my 1 to 2, low key. Probabilities, man. Probabilities. So you got this up close candle right here. Did have a very, very small volume imbalance. I don't know how important that is, but it seemed pretty important the way it came up into it, hit that up close candle open price, and then now we're delivering down. But now I need speed. I need speed below this because now it's starting to look like some fucking like time distortion type bullshit. Straight time distortion. This is NFP week price action that you're dealing with right here. Like, look at that. Look at that. So NQ coming back to that same down close candle. Same down close candle right here. If they leave that open, that'd be fire if they could leave that open. And I think it's Fed interest rate tomorrow too. Yeah, it's Fed interest rate tomorrow. So I wouldn't be surprised if this shit if this shit just chopped around. I think what I'm gonna do though is if price like really starts closing above this London right here, this zone right here, start closing above there, then it's most likely not as bearish as I'm thinking it is, right? It's still bullish. Probably just calling the top. Trying to call the top too hard. But yeah, if it closes above there, starts rejecting off of there, we'll make a decision. But I do like how NQ is still below here. Still needs to reject off of here. Leave this open. Leave that open there. It could come and tap into that up close candle like I was saying again, but I don't expect it to, because all of this back and forth right here. And then if this candle can close within consequent encroachment of that'd be a nice signature. Of this wick. Anybody take any trades though? Y'all take any trades? Y'all in anything? What we working at? We hit 3 standard deviations upside, so should sell. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. The fact that AQ went up so high. Went up so high, what's the probability of it really going higher? And it hit. It's above all-time highs, and it took out previous daily high. And then you got SMT with ES. So I like the probability. I think this is gonna be the only trade though for the rest of this week. Really, this is my only trade because tomorrow FOMC, not trading tomorrow. Thursday is the day before NFP week, and then yeah, I don't trade NFP, so. So what is this? Engineering liquidity, time distortion. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Because why is this? You see this? Y'all see this? Why, look at that. That's too clean. Come on now. Come on now, y'all. That's too clean, man. This is not a type of bottle that I would want to be. You know what I mean? Think it would go up higher. Check my stream, see if it's good. Oh. You know, this is so boring. Shmido. Hey, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, y'all. Whoever tapping in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Right now, we full porting indices right now. Yes, we full porting. Head eyes. See what NQ doing. NQ barely closed below, but that's good. I like this. I still like this. Once NQ start really displacing, then ES should start displacing too. But ain't no way they lead this low. Right here, it is relative equal highs right here with ES, but on NASDAQ, there's SMT right here. There's SMT right here. So I'm not really looking at these as like relative equal highs for real. I see NASDAQ is manipulating and ES is gonna be the stronger one to move. Look at that London high. Wait, am I tripping? No, okay, actually, London breaker. It's a London breaker. Inverse breaker that I'm using right here. Still holding it, so that's cool. And then it's still holding the low up here. Let me see what GU did. See, I told you I'm not falling for this dumbass shit. Like, got those relative equals highs up here. Not falling for it, bruh. This is the type of shit that you see where like you try to call a bottom because you see some you like how I'm doing with Nas right now and ES a little bit, but where you see like a bottom or a top, you see relative equal highs, you like hell yeah, but it's like heavily bearish. Like even if this shit was to move higher, it probably ain't gonna move as much as I'm thinking that it's gonna move, you know. I think it could get up there. I would like to sell from up. Like if it got up there and hit that, I would like to sell from there. But time isn't there. Plus I'm in ES, you know. So what was it 418? Let's see if we could get some speed. I think we're gonna attack this now, these lows and shit now. But I wanna see speed. I wanna see speed through there. If this is if they're distributing, like reaccumulating right here to distribute lower, then I wanna see speed through here. Cause these are definitely sell stops. And if they speed through there, that means they're not buying the sell stops. That means they're most likely order pairing and heavily selling. Feel like watching paint dry a little bit though. At this point, this nigga Trump need to tweet or something. Like, god damn, he need to tweet. Oh, god damn it. My fault. I had to stretch. No way. No way, yo, cute ass lies. What's up, show? This nigga so gay. My nigga show, man. Stop playing. Yeah, bruh, we streaming, bruh. We streaming right now in a dookie booty price action ass trade right now. Okay, so NQ closed. Still closing below this consequent encroachment of that wick right there, and this down close candle, which is a breaker. Leave that open breakaway gap. We run. Meanwhile, I'm still waiting on ES to show me something, to say something. You know what I'm saying? Say something. You take any trades today, show? Anybody bullish today? Shit, tell me. I don't know. This might go higher. I don't know. Shit. I'm just playing. If you bullish, let me know. Let me know what you see. I see a support area right here, right? See a little support area doing like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit is going higher, guys. Like, support, guys. What the fuck you talking about, man? It's going higher. We're going higher, man. Fucking smart money concepts. Fuck wrong with these guys. Think this shit going higher. Lower. Waiting for gold by. Yo, what's up? What's up, Prodigy? What's good, bro? Waiting. I can't wait for ICN day, right? Waiting for gold buy on God go. Man, I haven't traded gold in like 55 million years, bro. Like, I haven't traded gold in a minute. How gold working out though? Is it treating you well? How's it treating you? Waiting for Asia and London lows. Okay. What you gonna try to buy it from there? So, guys, it's a support area right here, guys. It's tapping back into it. Buy it. Buy it right here. Come on. I actually need to fix. Hold on. I need to fix this. Hold on. Fuck wrong with this. Y'all see this shit? My shit tweaking. Uh. Uh. Hey, y'all can't. Hey, y'all can't hit. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it. Oh shit. Yo, this is so dookie booty. Look, y'all see support, bro. If this shit come and stop me out, bro, I'm never trading smart money again. I'm telling y'all right now. If this shit come stop me out, I'm not trading smart money. Oh, for real. Bro, this shit need to hurry up, bro. Cause bro, come on now. Bro, y'all see this? Do y'all see this shit? Yes, but one thing, never swing gold. It'll teach you how to sleep. So, I remember them days when I used to try to swing trade. I used to be like, yeah, wake up in blue type shit. Hey, Kristen, Kristen, bro, like, wake up in blues, that Momo FX shit. And then, but the whole time, you ain't waking up because you staying up. You know what I'm saying? Staring at the chart 24/7. Like, you ain't got no life. Can't touch grass. Shit difficult out here, man. It's hard out here. Yo, what's good, Unc? What's good, Unc? My man Unc up in here, man. Stop playing, man. The whole team up in here. Stop playing. Yeah. Hey. This shit got like, hold on. Let me see. What time is it? Cause ain't no way this is time distortion, bruh. Ain't no way this is time distortion. Like, do y'all see this? Look at this. Let's go to 1 minute. Like, come on, man. Ah, damn. Did you find the seller entry? Hell no. Hell no, I ain't find it. I ain't find the carrot entry either. Bruh, it's beyond me, bruh. Beyond me. I love you, brother. I comment on many of it. Oh yeah, I seen the game. Don't. Hey, I'm letting you know I see it. I definitely see it, bro. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. So ugly. This is for sure my last day this week. Oh God. Oh God, this is my last day. Hopefully I could get something out of this though. If not, then, hey man, expect the fucking crash out. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm gonna crash the fuck out. This shit motherfucker hit me out. Shit hit me out, bro. And I see all this support, goddamn here, support here. Like you got London, you got Asia here. You got, bro. Who is calling? Let's stop calling my phone. Yeah, you got Asia here. You got, bro. I wouldn't even, bro. I think it's going to the previous daily low whole time. Cause whole time, look at all this sell side down here. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no way you telling me this shit going higher. Ain't no way. But if it do, I mean, it's probabilities though. If it do, I'm crashing out though. I'm having a great day. Not type shit that as you should, bro. Yeah, we here. All right. Does that mean NQ melting now? So see how I hold that down close candle. And it held consequent encroachment that wick. Soon as we got that close, look at that close. Right after that, price is just struggling. Like, yeah, a little bit of body closed up in there, you know what I'm saying? A little bit. You leave room for that. You know, let it do its damage, you know, color outside the lines, but we still delivering. We still delivering. So that means, you know what I'm saying, ES should get the breaking down. Going downtown. He caught the top down there. On God, I caught the top. You know what I'm saying? You know, a little stupid. Oh, shit. Hey, bro, if y'all ain't hit the like button, bro, I swear to God, bro, I'm gonna crash out on all of y'all, bro. Okay, that's three. That's three, bro. I'm missing two more, bro. I see 5 of y'all in. Bro, 5 of y'all is in here, bro. It's 2 missing. Why ain't y'all like this motherfucker? Fuck wrong with y'all? We out here trading, man. We trading for real, man. Ain't no bullshit. Ain't no scamming. Ain't none of that bullshit. We traders for real. You know what I'm saying? We traders. We traders. You know. My girl sleep. My fault, y'all. My girl sleep. I can't be that loud. My fault, y'all. I'm gonna do this dance though. Know what I'm saying? Oh shit! Got the little fly trap. Almost trapped my dumb ass. You know what I'm saying? God damn. I'm getting too excited, y'all. I shouldn't be. Should I be this excited? I shouldn't be this excited. I should be a pro trader. I shouldn't be this excited. No emotions. All right, I want to see speed. I want to see speed below this low, because if this is sell side liquidity, right? I don't want to see them buying the sell side liquidity to go higher. I don't want to see them doing that. I want to see them pair aggressively sell. No pairing the orders to go higher. Aggressively sell here. So let's see. Let's see how we do it. Damn, I'm tired. Once that 50% Asia hits, I'm paid. On God. On God, on God, on God. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. What time is it? 4:28. All right, let's go to 1 minute. See what's going on. Okay, so they're buying the Zell stops. Mother of sheet. Mother of sheet. See that breakout traders start getting excited. Oh, let me short right here. A little pullback. It might come all the way up here and knock this out. What is this? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 7:30. Yeah. Yeah, they buying those sell stops, bruh. That's why I want to see speed through it. But it can still close because you still got this 5-minute candle. 20 seconds left. 19 seconds left. Still close. Cool. But we don't let this little 1 minute sell stop rate get in the way of the bigger picture, right? It's just to get a feel for price action type shit. It's not enough for me to change my mind and be like, no, this shit is going higher. You know what I mean? It's not enough. So, NQ, yup. I always say that at the bottom of the hour, a major move occurs within 3 minutes. Fuck with it. I fuck with it. All right. If y'all, whoever, let me see, cause how many people got here? 7 people. If y'all in any trades or y'all looking to take any trades or y'all contemplate take, bro, y'all can send a trading view screenshot. Y'all just come up here, copy. What is it? What do you press? Fuck, copy link and just send that motherfucker in the YouTube chat, and I could pull it up and look at it. We could look at it together. See what's going on. See what you taking. Here's some straight dookie booty cheeks. Dookie booty cheek price action, bruh. I'm not falling for that. This a crazy ass support area, I tell you what. It's crazy because there's so many times, bro, where I blew up a lot of profit during NFP weeks. Like I blew a profit. Like I'm talking about, like I have a good ass week before NFP week, and then I just blow it all that week. It's crazy. But all the time, like we getting better, man. We learning. We learning. We learning. But that used to be me, man. When I shouldn't even be blowing up on weeks like this. Wait for like high probability weeks like last week. I'm getting like 6 trades in a row, like 6 winning days in a row. You know what I'm saying? Because of the condition, how good the condition is. It's easy to call. This shit right here, this shit is kind of this shit booty cheeks, dookie cheeks. Kicks, just holding this position. We put the funded accounts to work next week. Type shit. Type shit. See, what, bro? Show it, bro. Show, bro. What, bro? That's what you want. On God, that's what you want. That's exactly what you want. Y'all think I'm gonna hit though? What's the probability? What y'all giving it? What, 70 30? 70 30 I'm gonna hit, 60 40. Right now this shit looking about 65 35. 65 35. All right, here we go. Some speed. Give me speed. Measure out this wick, because this is all inefficient right here. 50% of that wick, you start getting bodies closed through there. That's good for sell side delivery. Good for sell side delivery. But until then, it could bounce off of 50% of this wick. Still go up, still go up higher. Ice 8. 80-20. Okay, tight shit. I fuck with the confidence. I fuck with it. Now the question is, do I want to mitigate my risk? Now, what it's telling me is not to move this stop until we close through 50% of this wick. Not to move my stop at least halfway. Halfway. Take a smaller loss if it has to run all the way back up here. If it has to, I'd rather take a smaller loss and then just call that a day. Because at this point, it's not. If it has to run all the way back up there after closing through 50% of this wick, or even going through this low, you know what I mean? It's not that probable. Okay, let's see this one too. We close through this one. Okay, so we closed through this one. We still gotta get through this one though. We could watch this for now until the next candle close. Let's see how it holds this level. And then 50% of that. See if we can run from there. Hundred. Now he got hella confidence. Oh God, hella confidence, man. Stop playing. What's NQ looking like? NQ still being dookie cheeks. But this should be breakaway. But look at this. This is straight dookie. This is horrible. NQ looks horrible. It should still work out though. It don't look bad until this shit come all the way up here and start filling in gaps and shit. But it's good. It's good to go lower, especially since it's holding this, is leaving all of this open. It's just playing all in here, and this is most likely time distortion because you got higher highs, not higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs. You got lower highs and lower lows constantly breaking down. Same with ES. What is there any more high impact news today, or am I tripping? What is price waiting for? If it's supposed to be moving, what is it waiting for? It's waiting for me to say something. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I got something for you. Fuck you talking about? Hold on, I got something for you. Here we go. That's what we gotta do. Draw a gun. Draw a gun. We all know this work. We all know this shit work. Point a gun at it. This how us trading degenerates do it. Maybe it'll start running now. Ugh. All right. What time was this wick? We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left to see if we could get through this wick. Right. So we're holding this one pretty well. This one pretty well, right? So all of this is balance. Really, all of this is balance. To be honest. If I wanted to be super safe, I could move my stop right above here now. Right? If this is supposed to be balanced. And we should move if we are gonna continue lower, you really don't want to see it come back up through here. But I'm demanding that wick before I move my stop or make a decision. So we know where that one is. See where that one is. So I want to see bodies hold this array. maybe that 1050 to 1110 macro is what pushes this shit lower. Scared money don't make money. Right, put the magnet down. As I watch S&P move, NASDAQ follows the same direction. Yep, it typically does. Sometimes one might be strong, one might be weaker than the other, and one might be stronger than the other, and that's how you pick and choose which one you might want to participate in, because one might give you a lot more of a move than the other one. Sometimes they switch up on you. Like sometimes you'll think one is weaker because you're getting the signs and shit. But the whole time it might get some strength and become the stronger one. Vice versa. Alright, 2 minutes. So notice how the body still didn't close through this wick. But we are still holding this range though. That range is cool. We're still holding that. So notice how you see ES running a little bit more than NASDAQ. Like it's giving more displacement candles. And then while NASDAQ is pulling back up, it took 2 right here to pull back up. It's only at its 1 for ES. This is your first trading live stream? Damn near. I mean, like damn near. It's kind of like my third, I think. You know, my other live streams, and then nobody really joined like that. And then they wasn't fucking with the slime. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't messing with me. But yeah, this is basically, man. Basically, welcome though, welcome. On the temperature. On the low. On the low. On the low. I mean, I'm streaming. And it's crazy because I'm streaming with some dookie booty ass price action. Go flying without me. Down. Yeah, it'd be like that though. It'd be like that. It'd be like that. So look how it's still holding 50% of that wick right here. That's why I'm not making no decision to move my stop yet. It probably is the best decision now to actually just mitigate risk because you know it's chopping back and forth and shit. That's what I'm gonna do, cause that's what if my mind keeps telling me, okay, it's consolidating is barely moving any lower, it's not displacing lower, this range is all balanced, should be balanced, right? And price should be going lower. If price has to come all the way back up here, it starts to become a little bit low probability. So why not mitigate my risk to where I'm taking half of a loss instead of a full loss? Because like say if it comes all the way up here and then it gets up here, hits me out, right? If it has to hit me out here, then it's most likely coming up here, right? To be honest with you. So we play with probabilities, right? The probability is telling me that if it has to come all the way up here, then it's less likely to work out. Then I should mitigate my risk instead of thinking with emotions like, I don't want to get hit out, so let me keep my stop up here. You know what I mean? Even though it's coming back all the way up here and it's going all through this balanced price range and it's, you know what I mean? Like, so make decisions based off of probabilities. Asia low looks convincing too. Hell yeah. Asia low's right here. Like it's not that far. You know what I mean? Once we get that close below 50% in here, bro, do not close back above this, bro. I'm tired of this fucking weight, consequent encroachment of this weight, bro. I'm tired of this shit. It just needs to go. It needs to go, bro. We're coming into that macro too, that last 15-minute candle, right? And then usually that last 15-minute candle will expand. If this is a distribution phase, because all of this was accumulation. From 8:30 to 10, this is all manipulation. It may not look like manipulation here, but if you look at NQ, boom, there's the manipulation, right? So there's the S&T there. Now we're in the distribution phase, right? So this is the distribution phase. So if you're distributing, what does that mean? We constantly go lower, we displace lower, you know what I mean? So right now it's looking good, it's looking great. Let's see if we could get some speed through that low. Asia low looks, yo, hell yeah. Okay, so now this is where we mitigate risk completely, right? Because now I don't expect price to come all the way back up here. Almost a free trade. We're still dealing with unrealized profit though, so it's really not free. Anything that you didn't take or secure is unrealized profit. It's really not a free trade. People call it a free trade. I'm risk free, right? But it's not a free trade. You feel me? Well, am I really risk free if it's unrealized profit? But yeah. But I shouldn't go down anymore on this account. Take a little cool little, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Type shit. So yeah, so all this should be straight. We straight here now. Now watch this. This wick, if there's no reason price should be going above consequent encroachment of this wick before we get to Asia, before we even displace through Asia, right? If we go through consequent encroachment of that wick, that's a telltale sign that, okay, shit is about to be straight goofy. You know what I mean? So notice how NASDAQ ain't really displaced yet, but ES is displacing, which is why I chose ES instead to sell off of. Minus the Goonie. Same brand, that's what I want hit. Yo, what's good? The real Oso, what's good with you? What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all, man? Welcome, 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 welcome to the stream. I don't show, bro. Oh man. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop. Yeah, because it shouldn't be going back through that wick. I'm gonna move it to break even, because it shouldn't be going back through this wick, all through this range, and just to come and hit me out. It shouldn't be doing that. And when you got Asia right here, it should just spew to that, because we're coming into that macro too. 10:45, 11:15. That last 15-minute candle, right? But I'm looking at mainly the 10:50 to 11:10 macro. Right, so once we start coming into this range, we should start seeing expansion lower, and it should be giving signs of speed. Big candles going lower, not going higher, right? Because all of this is balanced now. What's the point of it coming all the way all through this range? Besides equilibrium, that's it. Equilibrium, which is if you get the bodies right here, which is right damn near close to my stop though. I don't know. I'll move it right there. With my stop like right here. But it really shouldn't be coming back up there anyway. This week, and that's it. That's it. Low. Oh, I should have entered on MES, bruh. I can't even partial below Asia low. I just have to aim for that 1 or 2. What would that be? I got in with 1, 725, 750. I'm aiming for $700, $750. If we hit that Asia low and then it don't speed, keep speeding lower, then I might just take it there. On the low, on the low, on the low. See NQ? Yeah, NQ still holding that down close candle, still holding this inversion FEG. Right? It's just very, very time distortion, bruh. Time distortion. Gotta be. I don't know why I got this little white zone right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. We get Asia low to the T. This is what we sat through, y'all. We sat through that. Alright, so here's this macro. So now that we're inside of this macro, I wanna see if price can speed through that Asia low. Maybe even get to previous daily low. Maybe. Possibly. I don't know. I don't know, man. Macro time. I got controller pulling up for the collab. Oh God. Oh God, oh God. Once we take out that Asia low, I want to see this down close candle hold price to continue. But I want to see speed. I want to see speed through it. I want to see speed. I'm nearly live. I'm doing my temperature. Come to the world. So maybe we could do some reaction videos on here, bro. That'd be lit. Y'all send me shit to react to. We do it. We do all that shit together. You feel me? All 7 of, I don't know how many. It's only 7 of us in here. Shit, all 7 of us. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so there go Asia Low. That's a partial right there, but I can't partial. You know what I'm saying? I can't partial. So this is the type of shit that it might come and hit me. It could come all the way out and hit me out at break even, or hit my 1 to 2. You know what I'm saying? It hit my 1 to 2, but we inside of that macro. So I want to see speed for me. My temperature. But guess what, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Risk free. You know what I'm saying? Risk free. Hold on. Risk free. Hold on. Risk free. Hold on. Hold on. What? Risk. Oh, that shit is dropping, bruh. Yo, that shit dropping. It's dropping his draws for me. You know what I'm saying? Hey. You know what I'm saying? It's dropping his draws for me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, stupid out there. Ice Wizard on him. Okay. What we close through? What is this? Is this 25% of the previous daily range? We close through there. I'm about to troll this bitch. Previous daily low. I'm gonna troll this bitch. Soon as it hit my 1 to 2, I'm trolling that bitch. Go ahead, show. Do it. Do it in front of the stream. Do it in front of the stream. Oh man. Hopefully this shit don't come in. It hit my 1 to 2. It don't come and hit me out at break even. Have to come all the way up here because we did run out that Asia low. Speed. Speed. Is NQ dropping? Yup. Did it hit? Did it take out Asia low yet? Oh, it did. Okay. It did. My temperature. So NQ already took out that Asia low. Okay, let's watch this FEG. Let's watch that. See if we could keep displacing lower, creating down candles going lower. If not, this shit might come to an end. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't even gonna ask for too much. But that previous daily low does look juicy too. The fact that we still in this macro too. As long as we don't start getting CSDs and shit, and then it's most likely gonna keep going lower. Tap the end dog. Come on. Hey, let me know when to tap the end dog. I'm thinking about just cleaning up my loss from yesterday. But we still hold that FEG. I want that 1 to 2, bruh. I want that 1 to 2. But I could clean up my loss from yesterday. But at the same time, it does seem like it could get to that previous daily low. You know what I mean? I wish I could. I got into the micro so I could partial. I can't even fucking partial. All right, speed through here. We still in that macro, so I wanna see speed. Speed. We've been holding. We did all this for a minute, so This is an accumulation manipulation. I don't think accumulation manipulation to go higher in distribution to go higher. Okay, created relative equal lows on a smaller macro. It did in what voice dreaming. Yo, show you funny. All right, hold on. Coin flip. Hey, this what we gonna do. Heads, I take it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's it. You feel me? I made back my loss from yesterday though. So that's cool. I'm gonna take it right there. Low hanging fruit. I'm not about to ask for too much. You know what I'm saying? That's what you do. You use a coin flip. You know what I'm saying? You use a coin flip. Tell you when to get the fuck out. But this could definitely go to previous daily low. I can see it. It's just I'd rather clean up my loss this week. I'd rather clean up my loss that I took, because I took 2 trades yesterday. I mean, it was the same trade, but it was basically 2 trades type shit. It was 1 trade, but I re-entered and got fucked up and lost like $600 more than I should have lost that day. So I rather take that. You know what I mean? I flipped the coin. The coin told me. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. All right, but yeah, type shit. Easy. Hey, W trade. Yup. W trade. Made back that loss from yesterday. Now the only reason why it's a good partial here is because ES Ben took out Asia, and then NQ finally took out Asia just now. I don't think this is a bottom. I think it can still go lower, but I don't want to deal with any high resistant ass weird ass retracement. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to deal with that. So yeah, I'm pulling off of that. Right, exactly. You don't want to lose out on, you know what I mean? Lose out on all you got just to gain like a little 2 extra. You know what I mean? Just for it to get to the previous day low. I think it could. If I had a runner, if I was able to have a runner, I would. And I don't want to trail my stop at a certain point because I wanted that 600. But yeah. Hey, but the coin flip told me, hey, coin flip, if y'all don't know what to do, I'm telling you, if you like in the middle, you be like, I feel like I should make a decision here, but I don't know what to do. Should I take it or should I not? Just coin flip that shit. I don't know how many times I said that shit, but that shit funny as hell that I just did that. But yeah, hey, fuck it. Y'all wanna, hey, let's react to some shit. I wanna react to some shit. Y'all got any suggestions? Do a little reaction. I got a lot. I got an hour in me. Tanya trading. Let's see what's up with her. Yeah. Hold on.
It was a perfect time. I did draw it, and I said, I think this is what it'll do, right? And
little orange ass glasses. Hey, can y'all hear? Can y'all hear it?
Sick. I said it's a good time to be in this trade.
Y'all can hear it?
Woohoo!
Don't look. Hold on. Hey, let me know if y'all can hear it. Y'all can hear Tanya.
Yeah, Castillo, you should definitely definitely. The blue arrow, maybe that's even better than the red. Someone said, no, I fell asleep.
She ain't even take nothing for real.
When I was a scientist, I did.
Hey, hold on, what's that? What's bro name? Fucking Q. Oh yeah, Q. Yo, Q. Nah, that's funny. This nigga funny. I ain't gonna lie. This Asian nigga funny. Look at that. I'm glad I took it, bro. I'm glad I took it.
Okay, so
we do. All right, bet.
The 15-minute or the 5-minute.
Pull him up. Hold on, let me move myself, my big ass head out the way, bro. Cause I know I'm blocking, bro.
To give me quicker and faster analysis instead of waiting for the break of structure or the overall, you know.
This nigga talking to AI? to build him a trading plan? Yes, I know.
Reversal catch the move early before I fail 50 equity sweeps from reaction can behavior. If it sweeps a low, equal likely equal to Asian lows. Responds to strong bullshit, engulfing or displacement can body to awaken balance. It's very early. It's time to get him absorbed. Perfect. Right here. 4 hour.
Did this nigga just ask AI to validate his trade that he might take right now?
Whoa. Strong wick. If this turns bullish, I'm entering long right here. Sell to this low. Oh, I'm taking this. I'm taking this fucking long, bro.
No, bro is a crackhead for trading, bro. I can't. This nigga said, I'm taking this fucking long, man. Fuck. Taking this fucking long. Bro.
Okay, so let's say price has completely dumped, right? We rejected off a 4-hour fair value gap in a 15-minute low, right? With rejection, right? Nobody closing below. But on 15-minute, we sweep the lows. We're still in a 4-hour gap, and basically, can I take that wick if the next candle in 15-minute shows some sort of bullish confirmation?
The whole time, bruh, the only way I would get in along, I'm not gonna lie to you, the fact that it took out Asia, I'm not trusting these lows. I'll tell you what, I'm not trusting these lows. And the thing is, bruh, how bullish do you really think this shit is gonna be? Like, even look at this 4-hour. How bullish do you think this 4-hour is gonna just straight open and then create like a wick like this? Like, let's say if this created a wick, you got a long ass hammer. Like, do I really, that's me trying to call, not call a bottom, but you know what I'm saying? Like, you need a little bit more confirmation. Not no little 1 minute, no little, hold on, where was he, what was he, hold on, let me see what bro was.
Or just a bullish candle overall.
Hell yeah, bro, took a dub today. Took a dub, this is what I traded. Let me show you, right here. So, in order for me to get excited about a buy, bruh, you still got that previous daily low. You know what I mean? And you haven't even got above Asia's low. So what makes you think that price is gonna end up going to London's high or highs up in here? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that probable to me. You know what I'm saying? You're trying to call it, even if this was to invert. Let's say you got, let's say if price did some shit like this and then went above this high like that. Right, yeah, that's cool. That's cool and shit. And you know, you could see this as like a 2022 ICT buy type model type buy or some shit. Yeah, that's cool. But how do you know it's not just gonna do this? And then go to the previous daily low. That's exactly how GU fucked me up yesterday. Like, look, this is how GU fucked me up. Let me show you. I don't know if y'all seen my previous video, but this is exactly how GU fucked me up. So look, my dumb ass, I'm trying to call a bottom. I'm trying to buy, right? Weekly low taken out, wow. Daily low taken out, wow. You know what I'm saying? But like, I didn't get the best confirmation because when you look at it like this, right? You got Asia high. I'm like, okay, this is a solid buy, right? Here's the smart money reversal that you would think it is. And I'm trying to take that to go to the Asia high. And then this is what happened. London got taken out. This is London's high. London's high got taken out. There was SMT with EU, right? There was SMT with these highs right here. Inversion FEG, right? First entry. Breaker. Second entry, right? If you didn't get that entry. Displacement down to the previous daily low and shit all the way down to here. You feel me? It could be the same thing that could happen if you was to take, hold on, where was he at? If you was to take this right here, the same shit can happen, same way. You know what I mean? So, really got to be careful. You got to get that higher time frame draw. Let me see. Add Kelsey to your trading plan. She had to approve every trade. My dog. Oh God, approve every trade. Oh God, we gotta do one more backtesting session. Oh God, but yeah, I can see that previous daily low getting hit. Hold on, let's see what he doing. My fault, man. I went on a little.
Can I take that?
Let me see if he took that bullshit. God damn, can I? There we go. God damn. All right. Y'all got anybody y'all like watching? I'll react to them. We could watch them type shit.
Right?
If y'all fuck with them.
We had a next candle show bearish confirmations. Saucy is high.
Is he on FX replay? Oh, he not even trading. Yo, this is how every SMC trader used to trade back in 2021, 2022. And then they aim for like a 1 to 10 type shit. But whole time you're missing out on this up close candle CSD. Looking at that wick. Actually, let me shut up for this shit actually hit. You know what I'm saying? Look, I already hit this shit. Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't. He ain't even trading for real, bruh. He not even trading. I'm gonna go back to Tanya. Hey, no lie, that backtesting session had me rolling fun contests though. My girl gotta do it. On God, bro. You should, bruh.
Basically.
You should get her on there.
Every 7 days, which is nice.
Tanya ain't take none either. Still, did she even take anything? Let me see.
But.
Oh wait, she did. Oh, she did. Oh yeah, she took a sell. I think she took a sell. So she already hit. Damn, this shit loading like this shit taking long as hell to load. Oh yeah, so she probably already hit. Buy limit. Wait, this is a sell, right?
I even good.
Yeah, she took the sell. All right, W Tanya, bro. W Tanya, W woman trader. You know what I'm saying? W woman trader. Stop playing. You know these female traders. Stop playing with them. All right, hold on. Let me see. What's your live schedule look like? I mean, to be honest with you, I wasn't really gonna go live today. I really don't have a schedule for going live. I just felt like going live today. You know what I mean? See how it would go. But yeah, all right. So since you here at Rising, I'll give y'all the reasons why I took this sell type shit. Y'all down for that? Y'all want me to give me the reason? Give you the reason. I think you just tapped in, trader. I'll give it to you. Type shit. So boom. All right. So reason why I took the trade. Type shit. Okay. Yeah. We're at all time highs. Yeah. We're above previous weekly high. Now does that mean you should just short? No. You know what I'm saying? Like no. But you can expect some type of retracement. So you got this daily FEG. You know what I'm saying? These volume imbalance all in here. You know what I'm saying? So I was just expecting price to potentially not even get down there. Just give me some type of move lower, right? Boom, right? So the sign that told me that manipulation was in the market, right? So looking at the hourly chart, you see how price came up for ES coming up into 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock here, previous daily high up here. But when you look at NQ, previous daily high was already snatched. Does that mean I should sell now? No, but I should start getting ready. I should start getting ready to, you know what I mean? Start, you know what I mean? Type shit. So boom, right? We already have SMT at the highs, previous daily high, right? And then when you look at ES did not take out the 7 o'clock high, right? But NQ did take out the 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock high, right? So once that happened, you had a quick displacement lower. Now, a lot of people, they'll think like, okay, trade back into this FEG. That's my sell. If you ever have a move that goes up this quick and you see a move go down this quick, this is most likely going to be a breakaway gap. Most likely. Or it's going to leave 50% of it not traded to. Right? So, boom. We trade through the breaker. Right here, this down close candle. As we're doing that, I'm getting an ES here because I'm already anticipating ES to fall way before NASDAQ falls because it failed to take out that 7 o'clock high. Right, so it showed me that NASDAQ was manipulating and ES was distributing. In your opinion, what made you want to take shorts? Market structure was bullish. So if you see previous day taken, you start looking for sells even when the structure is bullish. Yeah, okay, so yeah, the daily time frame is bullish. It's bullish, right? But we're already at all-time highs, and then when you look lower, you have smooth edges. You have smooth edges. So you have smooth edges here, right? When you look at NQ, right? Look how clean this low is, right? It's barely did any sell side runs, right? So the clearest sign to me was the SMT at the previous daily high for me to want to short. If there was no SMT at the previous daily high, I wouldn't have thought about trying to short really like that. You know what I mean? It just basically gave me more confirmation that okay, they're at all time highs. People are putting their buy stops all in here to get in, so they're most likely gonna offset that and come for sell side liquidity, which is that Asia low right there, which was like a low hanging fruit objective for me, right? So once NQ had went below this down close candle, I was measuring out this wick right here, consequent encroachment of that wick. As soon as you see price close through there, as price is trying to go right back through it, look how it barely closed all through it. So that was just me getting a feel for the price action, for how, you know, how the delivery was going to be. But I already knew ES was going to drop a little bit more. So that's why I went ahead and sold short here, right? This is basically like a breaker. You could say this is a breaker right here because we did run out highs right here. So this ran out a high right here. So that's a breaker. Came up into the breaker, right? FEG, which is in here. You see that FEG here. There. FEG there. And then selling short to the Asia low type shit. But yeah, that was the trade. Standard deviation of Asia range today. Oh yeah, that too. Right on, Schmido. So and then when you look at Asia, we already came one standard deviation, and then NQ already came like 3 standard deviations. And when you think about it, the probability of price reaching 2 to 3 standard deviations and constantly going higher after that is very, 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 very rare. And we think in terms of probability, right? So if the probability is rare, it's not that is gonna continue after his 3 standard deviations. You know what I'm saying? I like that probability to sell short from. You know what I mean? So type shit. But I think it could reach the previous daily low. It probably would have gave me a nice 1 to 3, bro. But I'm trying to clean up that loss that I took yesterday. Clean up that human error that I took yesterday. So okay, so SMT between NQ and ES was the main confluence for you. It was the main confirmation type shit. Yeah. So yeah, confluence. Yeah, main confirmation. That told me that smart money was manipulating, right? Smart money was manipulating here. Everybody be trying to take every type of SMT. You have to take certain SMTs. You have to take account certain SMTs. You can't take account every little swing. At like say if there was SMT right here, you can't take into account every little SMT swing. You know what I mean? You gotta make sure we stick to the more effective ones, which is relying on time. You know what I mean? So if I got an SMT where I see 7 o'clock, 9:30, and then take out 7 o'clock high, right? And that's a short-term SMT compared to the higher time frame SMT that NQ did by taking out the previous daily high. And then we're inverting, right? Changing the state of delivery right here. We're inverting fair value gaps. We're going through down close candles that should hold, right? We're going through that. And then we have an SMT on this smaller fractal, right? So that's like 2 SMTs right there with time, right? So time 9:30 is getting created at 9:30, right? With time, it gives me the best confirmation. Yeah, type shit. Yup. Fuck it. Let's see. Hold on. Y'all got anybody y'all want to react to, bruh? Cause Q is live streaming this shit. I don't even know, like. Oh, right here. Let's see what's up with Wesley.
All right, we're in. I like what I see. All right.
I had just started following bro too. I like following small people who are around like the same amount of subscribers. Not even the same amount of subscribers, but people who aren't up there yet. I like reacting to their shit because they haven't made it all the way yet. You know what I mean? It's just like me. So it's fun reacting to people like that. You feel me? I feel like it's
Here we go. This is
I don't know. I just enjoy it.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another funded eval video from Wesley Trades. And yesterday we kind of realized that Wesley Trades has the sauce again.
Oh yeah. So bro. Okay. So the thing with Wesley, bro, is that I guess somebody had told him like a new entry type model type shit, and he's like taking the entry model. He's like, yeah, this is it. It's the entry model. That's all I needed was the entry model. This and that, right? But people who are experienced with ICT concepts can tell you, it's not about the entry model. It's not about entries, bruh.
Let's go. Let's go.
But if he eating shit, you know what I'm saying? If he eating, I'm happy for him though. I'm happy for him. But what happens when that entry model don't work at a specific time, or you're taking it at a specific time, it don't work? You know what I'm saying? What if it don't work? Do you stop trading that entry model? Is it the entry model? You know what I'm saying?
It works. Well, I can't get too up in my head, but I just gotta do the same thing over and over and over.
I don't really use
so
it.
We changed my.
Hold on, let me see. I don't really use it in my trading. Am I trading too much in your opinion? Is it something worth putting in my strategy? I mean, if you feel like it can help you call smart money reversal, because that's mainly what it's for, to tell you that smart money is manipulating or it's basically telling you that it's about ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Then yeah, I feel like SMT is really good to know.
Guys' advice, right? I talked to someone in our Discord by the name of Ramsey, super smart kid, and he kind of taught me a little bit more about this. So without any further yapping, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and then join the completely free Discord. Links in the description. All right, you guys, let's do this. What's our weekly bias? Pretty bullish, right?
All right, here we go.
Pretty bullish. Daily bias, like we're kind of starting to retrace here or rebalance. But we're looking
Okay,
good.
bullish
So
weekly price action. Bullish daily price action. I like studying traders when they actually have they tell you their analysis. I want to see like how do they go about their analysis. Bullish price action, bullish daily price action. Let's see 4 hour.
Currently
bullish.
For value gap, respecting consequential encroachment.
So bullish.
Relative equal highs here.
Bullish 4 hour.
Strong liquidity. We'll go a little bit more in depth here on the 1 hour. 1 hour for value gap is just being respected. It's kind of in the middle of filling it right now. Good bullish candle close here, but still looks pretty bearish. Not gonna lie. Let's hop down on the 15 minute. Take a look at absolutely everything. And with the 15 minute, we're gonna start our SMT search. So we don't really. I mean, we see a little bit of a bearish SMT here, but seems like it's already kind of played out. Anything on the hourly? This high back here. Wow. MES has just zoomed upward. That's kind of crazy. And we haven't reached that high yet. So if I'm going to be honest, I kind of imagine us taking that high on MNQ today. Well, we do have 60 minutes till market open. What is our news looking like? We have PMI at 745.
PMI.
So I do kind of want to wait until that comes out. And then we also have new home sales at 8 a.m. I don't believe the new home sales will affect the market that much, but that 745, those two red folders at 745, I believe they'll definitely move the market heading into macro, and then macro will only make that move further, right? We are breaking structure to the downside. Let's take a look and make sure what our session highs and lows are.
Okay, he's marking out the session highs and lows. That's good.
One of two things I see happening. We barrel through London lows again, just like New York session did last time, and then we are looking for shorts, right? Or we see a respect here, and then we end up taking off towards these highs, which I am.
You see, the only thing is you notice how his daily price action was bullish, his 4 hour price action was bullish, his weekly price action was bullish. But the first thing that he thought of was sell or buy. It should just be buy. Okay, and if it looks like it's selling off, that's where I take these hands, nigga, and I put them in my damn drawers, and I rub on my balls and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not.
To start taking
that's when you just sit on your hands, bro.
CE here. Also, I did finish the trade slips for every single trade that I've taken recently, so I'm still doing that. So you guys know, so much volume. Love New York market open, man. A ton of low resistance lows here. Let's see what happened to MES if it did its little move up as well. Yeah, no SMT there. Good candle close. I mean, the 5 minute still has a few minutes to close here, so I wouldn't call that an inverse on the 5 minute just yet. But touching CE there looks pretty good. Yeah, we do only have 10 minutes before news, so let's hold off till then. Hold off till then. Here we go. This is a classic example of us respecting consequential encroachment right here. We did say that at the beginning. Or we see a respect here, and then we end up taking off towards these highs, which I am not afraid to start taking longs as soon as we respect CE here. So let's see what kind of deal we...
He said as soon as respect CE, and that motherfucker blue. Went up.
With heading up to
Okay.
London highs.
My
And
nigga,
of course,
IC
we have
ICT Junior, man. Stop playing with me.
news in 45 seconds here, so would love to see how that kind of affects the market. See kind of what it does to the market. And yeah, there we see results. Come back down into that CE and get a good reaction. That would be
Okay, now he's asking for too much. You're asking for too much. Like he's looking for it to come back down to CE again, and give it if it's not displacing now, it has to come back all the way down here. That's when it start getting goofy.
setup. And we inverse this on the 1 minute, so we could possibly see a trade if we come up to.
This what I'm talking about. This is what we do as traders, bruh. This is what we do as traders. He was bullish. He was thinking about bullishness, and then one little inversion, right here. Y'all know how my girl. If y'all look at the back testing session with my girl, notice how when she was back testing, right, or when she was choosing her trades, when it would go higher, that's when she'd be like, oh, I'm gonna buy, or I should have bought there. I'm gonna sell, or I'm gonna scale in. It's because we have that breakout mentality still. Even though some of us try to trade smart money, a lot of us still have that breakout ass mentality where we see an inversion and we try to enter because it started going lower and it just inverted. You know what I'm saying? When you built your whole context off of bullishness. So one little 1 minute inversion told you that, okay, I'm a short. You know, that's where we fuck up as traders. And then when niggas lose, we be like, I should have stuck to my bias. No, it was supposed to be, it was bullish this whole time. That's why you train yourself because this takes discipline. It's discipline to not be like, I'm gonna take this 1 minute inversion when I was just bullish. That requires discipline to not try to take this shit. It's discipline when you follow your whole plan of what you were planning to do that day, and you need a strong confirmation to tell you, okay, I need to change my bias for today. You need a strong confirmation. That's not a strong confirmation.
Again, and close outside. We could see something like this above the top wick, and then target CE here for a 1 to 1.2 risk reward. See what this 1 minute candle does. All right, so there we are. Take profit at CE. I really like where take profit's at. Just missed CE there. And there we go.
I'm not gonna talk shit, but I'm saying, hey, still the principle though. Still the principle. I'm glad he ate though. I'm glad he got that though. But the principle.
Wow. You guys, I'm telling you, it's insane. That's what we're talking about. We hit take profit there in 2 minutes, you guys. Like, that's huge. Wow.
He took a second one.
Channel. London lows. What about MES? London lows. We're still up there. We're not even close. We're not even close. Okay, we take London lows here. Our next target is this internal low. Right, that's or sorry, that's not an internal low. That's a 5 minute fair value gap. We definitely could have entered a trade once we saw the bullish momentum of the candle push past here.
Yeah, that shit don't.
Our stops at the fair value gap, and then our take profit at the 5 minute imbalance, which would have been a really good trade again, but I'm okay with holding off for now. All right, we're in. I like what I see.
Stop at the high, hold consequent encroachment. Okay, this is not a bad trade. Now, this is a little bit better.
Take profit down here.
I'd be scared to keep my stop right there though. But hey, I keep my stop above that high. I'd be scared to get wicked out.
Trade. We do come into this wick CE, which is a little alarming. They don't like to see, and we do end up getting stopped out on that one. That's okay.
Hey, you take that to the
obviously
chin.
Not gonna hit every single trade. That would be
right. You take that to the chin.
insane.
But now here comes the main bullish bias that he probably had might work out. See, now you're bullish when he could have just stuck to that one buy for the day. Now he took one sell and then took another sell. Now he's break even when he could have just waited for this one buy and ended off his day. Mentally, you'll trade way better. You know what I'm saying? Mentally. Because you're not stressing out your mental capital by all these decisions. Oh, I took a sell here. I was just bullish. I'm gonna take a sell because it inverted. Oh, I got a dub. Hold on, I'm gonna take another sell. Oh, I took a loss. Okay, now my bullish bias is working. You should have just been at one trade. So all that work for nothing. You know what I'm saying?
We respect the CE of this.
Let's see if he hits.
Finished super bullish here, and I want to enter long here. Just targeting internal highs. What Ramsey
I fuck
was
with
talking
this buy.
about there is
See, you know what I'm saying? And he hits this one. He hits this one. You know what I'm saying? But he did all of this for really no reason, to be honest. He could have just cut out this trade frequency right here, these two trades, and just waited for his bullish. Everything that he started off first from the beginning, all of his analysis, bullish,
for about 1 hour. 1 hour
bullish, right? He could have just waited for that instead of taking all these two. Because imagine if he would have lost these two, right? And then let's say the probability of this. Let's say this trade didn't work out at all. You just took 3 losses. Where does that put us on the tilt meter? That puts us at a fucking 8 to 10 on the tilt meter. Now we gonna want to take a 4th trade because it's like, fuck, I shouldn't have even took these 2 trades. And now the one that I was really waiting for, that still didn't work out. Now I'm gonna try to force my hand on the market. You might go back bearish, but whole time that's when it might play out then. You know what I'm saying? And then you end up burning your account or losing a lot more than you should have that week or that month. You know what I'm saying? Or that day. So,
and I want to enter long here.
It's something to learn from. Something that you learn from. But yeah, type shit. Yeah, he hit. See, W video though.
There we go. And order filled of where we were of that internal high. Wow, let's go, you guys. Yes, on a fucking heater. On a fucking heater.
But yeah, that's something for him to learn from. Like, he didn't have to take those 2. He could have avoided these two trades and just stuck with that one. But yeah, man. All right, what time is it? It's 5:28. Even J Cash cute. J Cap cute for real. Yo, hey, what's good? Let's see where. Oh damn! I could have got a whole extra like motherfucking 1 to motherfucking goddamn 3, man. Fuck! Bro, I should have held, bro. Fuck! I'm getting off this bitch, bro. Alright, I'm in my stream, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. So I'm about to, hold on. I'm about to tilt. Psych, nigga. Fuck you thought this was. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to end this stream, bro. Fuck it. You can go on about my day. I hope y'all have a good day, bruh. I hope y'all have a good day, bro. Hold on, let me make sure all my shit signed out. Make sure all my shit signed out before I. Inactive. I check this every fucking time, bruh. Alright, log out. Boom. Alright, we straight. You know what I'm saying? Now my outro. You feel me? So if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and smash that like button if you're new to the channel. Sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Hope y'all have a good day, man. Peace, Horizon. Peace, Alright, Shmito, I'll catch you later. Alright, show. Alright, rest y'all degenerates, man. Have a good day. Hi in this bitch. Oh, okay. Right here.